Get ready to be amazed by the most iconic skyscraper on Earth. Buckle up. Nestled in the heart of Dubai, the Burj Khalifa stands as a beacon of human ambition and architectural genius. At an awe-inspiring 828 meters, it's not just a building, it's a vertical city. Imagine looking down from the 160th floor, watching the world below shrink into a fascinating mosaic of lights and life. From its stunning sky-high observation decks to the intricate design that reflects the rich cultural heritage of the Middle East, the Burj Khalifa is a marvel of modern engineering. Whether it's bathed in the golden hues of sunrise or shimmering in the glow of twilight, this towering titan is a sight to behold. And from a drone's eye view, the Burj Khalifa reveals its true grandeur. Every angle, every detail, a testament to human creativity and perseverance. So next time you think of skyscrapers, remember? There's tall, and then there's the Burj Khalifa. Ready for your next adventure? Stay tuned for more epic journeys.